In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact the Gcash hotline. This process is straightforward, but knowing the details can make it even smoother. First, you need to use your phone to dial the Gcash hotline. If you're using a Globe or TM network, dial 2882. For all other networks, you'll want to dial 02-7213-9999. Make sure you have a good signal before you call. This is important because a weak connection can lead to dropped calls, which can be frustrating. Once you have dialed the number, wait for the connection. You'll hear an automated voice menu. Listen carefully to the options presented. It's crucial to choose the correct option that best matches your concern. Following these prompts will guide you to the appropriate support channel. This step is essential because it ensures that you speak to the right department, saving you time. After selecting the right option, you will need to wait for a live agent to respond. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. While waiting, you can prepare the necessary details. This preparation is key to a smooth conversation with the support agent. Now let's talk about what you need to have ready. Make sure you have your Gcash mobile number at hand. This is how they'll identify your account. You should also be ready to provide your full name. Having these details helps verify your identity quickly, ensuring a secure process. Next, note down the issue details you are calling about. Be as specific as you can. If you have a transaction reference number related to your concern, have it ready too. This number is crucial for the agent to trace the specific transaction and resolve your issue efficiently. Once a live agent is on the line, it's time to communicate your concern clearly. Explain your issue in a straightforward manner. This helps the agent understand your situation without needing to ask too many follow-up questions. Remember, clarity is key here. Now, listen carefully to the instructions given by the support agent. They are there to help, so following their guidance is crucial for a successful resolution. If something is unclear, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. At this point, you've completed the call. This process not only resolves your issue, but also helps you become more familiar with Gcash support. Remember, being prepared with all the necessary details can significantly speed up the resolution process. And there you have it. You've learned how to effectively contact the Gcash hotline. This knowledge empowers you to handle any issues that might arise with your account, ensuring a smoother experience in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.